welcome to the video here. 50k, not 50k, sorry, 50 views special. We're not doing professional this time. It did get harder, so we're doing operative now. This is for you guys. If we do fail, we'll pause the video to where we get once we get where we were before. Why not through the window?
And then the beam of light comes from the moon.
Remember, I've got to disable the cameras. Yeah, I got to do that.
What made you say that?
I dreamt it.
Fine. Now you've had your joke.
So we will.
I've dreamt it every night since I.
No, not yet.
How long was it?
Because then two of them come, then that's really annoying. Because we've got one coming down here, and one coming down the other way.
I really saw it.
Hello. My name is Jeff.
Beam of light.
I'm 21. Come on down. Takes you 20 years. I'm hiding my little dude. Trying to.
Fly all the way back to California, creep.
Hello. Here he is. Put your hands up, buddy. The times of all the information. Hi. How you doing there, camera? Give me a sec, Mark. No, I'm gonna hide him in the dumpster. I like hiding people in dumpsters.
Yeah.
Don't ask me why.
A junior set of golf clubs. You know, the game was
Yeah.
There's no one to play with.
Oh, well, that's the beauty of golf. You don't
Yeah,
need anyone to play with.
But I want someone to play with.
Well, then I'll teach you.
We're gonna be killing all the people. I'm bold. Don't ask me why. On my character, I am bold.
Lord McGashin invited us. All the investors are going to be there. Hey, look at those.
I'll go behind him. I'll go behind him.
Now you can dress them good.
Yeah, how you doing? I'm just.
Right.
I'm checking the camera. I'm checking the camera. Don't you worry. I'm checking the camera with you.
Tell me a picture of Tiger Woods.
Knock him out. We are geniuses. Screw the cameras. Oh, Mac. Also, I don't need key cards. You picklock it. You picklock it. Lockpick myself. I ain't gonna bring it though. So what we're gonna do is operative. We're not going through the window, guys. Okay. Okay, rush upstairs. No, wait, Mac! Mac! No, Mac! Mac. Oh, wait. Yeah, head downstairs. Okay, let's go. Damn it. I'm gonna set up my microcam. Okay, Mac. Mine's good. Look where mine is. Mac, open this. Open that. Matt, go get the other guys. Go get the other guys. Damn it, Mac! Somebody saw me. Damn it! Guys, we're gonna stop. Hey guys, we're back again. We got to where we were. A bit further. We weren't paying attention.
Tony's obsession with vampires.
Put your hands up. That's all the information. Tells all death information that you know, buddy. Quick, get him out of here. Get him. Well, nobody's gonna find that.
But I can't fly.
Wait, is that actually a spot where you can hide them? Oh no, it's not.
Well, I guess so. Then they come.
Mac, is that Elite that has the thing up there? I'm not too sure.
As long as I'm holding.
I'm out of stamina.
We're fine. Trust me. Ready? Whoa, I'm flying!
Somebody saw me. I left.
Wow, it's great to be a vampire. Membership does.
Hi. Yeah, I left. You can stop looking.
Look, I'm not.
Max, somebody's coming. Max, somebody saw me. X-ray eyes. Mac, I can just see it. Hi. Mac, what's she looking at? Enemy, and there's our objective.
I can't understand you. Say it again. In English.
Look, she won't take her eyes. Ooh.
Vampires are different than I thought they'd be. Father, see to that. We're family, not fiends. That's why we only trust drink cow's blood. But I thought vampires drink human blood. We do. But we've got to make do with cows. Why? Because we've been hunted for centuries. We always have to hide. We want to become humans, not eat for dinner.
Okay, yeah, they're all hidden.
Do you see
Knock him out.
what color that car is? Green. Man and woman inside. Man talking very loudly and waving his hand. Oh no, my parents! I'm in a lot of trouble. My dad's gonna kill me.
Stop and not San Diego. What do you expect? He's much more kid.
What? He was hiding. I think he was also going to put his hands up, but I wasn't paying attention. Matt, go open the manager's office. Mac. Yeah, it's restarted. Get it. Okay, Mac. Follow this. Open this. Do not smash a window because they're gonna get suspicious. Like, why is this window broken? Why is this window broken?
Those are parents. They look nice.
Somebody broke it in.
No. Nice. As in very nice. There's a moment. Suppose I must take my leave. I haven't had so much fun with the boy my own age since I really was 9. Thanks, dude. Maybe I should. So vampires only sleep in coffins, because that's going to be a problem. Just as long as the sun can't find me. This would be excellent. I can take out all this junk. Junk? It's a treasure chest. I think I'm just watching mortals play this game. Merci.
Let's go.
Nintendo Duh. Can I play with this Nintendo?
Mac,
It's
I'm actually not going to believe I'm going to say this, but
when someone asks
we're actually going to finish Operative.
Duh.
I know,
Or like Duh.
I know, but they made it tougher now, haven't they?
Duh. Duh.
Okay, open it.
I know you. You must sleep now. Sleep on mortals.
Don't go in, I'm just waiting for that guard to come.
Until the night. Good night.
Is he here yet? What the hell's he doing? Mac, I don't think there's any guards left. Literally, look at the microcams. Nobody's coming. Yeah, you go check. I'm just drilling.
Or something, right? I've just been out here with 300 kids. I want to be a vampire too. You don't know what that means. Doing the most awesome stuff I've ever done in my life.
What?
No blues,
You're joking, right?
no birds,
There's no guards.
in the sunlight. Just this constant.
Mac, let me drill it, let me drill it, let me drill it. It's faster.
Good morning. Now, why are you sleeping this way?
You're joking, Mac. There's citizens.
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby.
No. I dreamt I was flying.
They will see it.
That's wonderful. That's a good kind of dream to have. Now, come on.
See, it's conspicuous.
Let's go.
Would you leave a bank with a flipping with a bag with half a blimmin' money in it? No. Wait, Mac, we leave our mark. Suckers.
Sorry, dude.
Yeah. Okay, Mac, do you want to go back? Mac, do you want to go back to lobby? You want to go back to lobby? We can't. We haven't got enough time. We've only got. We can't do it in 3 minutes. It's impossible. So, guys, we'll head back to the lobby. Then we will end the video off, and I'll show you guys. You have got to be joking me. I literally need to do rookie on I'm a level 27 still, but I need to do rookie just to get it. I'm gonna end it off here, guys. So see ya.